Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how you can create a shopping list. This is going to save you a lot of time if you get regular orders, willy-nilly, and people are saying, oh, like Sharon, can you order me a 472? Sharon, can you order me a 900? And instead of writing it and, just making a list, you can add it to an actual shopping list until you're ready to place that order in bulk and one go. And I'm going to show you how to do that. So let's say I've suddenly got somebody's come to me, Sharon, before next order, can you make sure you order me 900? I'm like, yeah, no problem. So I come to my back office. This is the same on mobile. I go to the shop, I add 900. What would usually happen is you would add one item to the shopping basket off a list and you'd put the order in bulk. But we are not going to do that. We are going to call this list December, or let's just stick with Claire. We're going to add one. No, let's say two. Suddenly I've got two people that want a 900. We're going to add it to the shopping list. There we go, successfully added to the shopping list. Then somebody's just messaged me and says, Sharon, I need a couple of VHD mascaras. Can you order me some? I say, yeah, let's put them in the basket too, but we're going to put them to the shopping list. So instead of doing the order in bulk, we're going to add two to the shopping list. Then somebody wanted an 18, so 18 Intense. Now it's temporarily out of stock. That doesn't matter. We're going to add one to the shopping list. Then when it comes in, it's all going to be on our list. So let's go and have a look at our shopping list. So let's go to Claire because that's the list we're working on. And as you can see, we've added an 18, we've added the two mascaras, we've added two 900s, but suddenly somebody else wants one. So just tap on the plus. There we go, we've added another one. So then what you do is you hover over this little shopping trolley icon, move all the products from the shopping list to the shopping basket. Yep, that's what we want to do because we're ready to place that order. And there you can see the points have showed up, the value. So we're ready to shop, to check out. So we click on the burger, we click shopping basket. And that's it. You can now see that all those items have moved over. And if the 18 was in stock, that would be there too. So we're going to place the order, but then you've got another order for another mascara. You just simply hover over the little pen and paper and our backspace, type in 3. There we go. So I've now added an extra mascara to that order. If somebody didn't want anything, you just simply click on the X, say for it, there we go, and it's gone. So everything adjusts. So let's just go and place that order. I hope that helps. You can create shopping lists called anything you want and you can refer to them all the time. And just remember to use the little shopping trolley and move everything to your main basket when it's time to place that order.